Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, we will be changing out the jet stand points. Guys, as you know, okay, for our Beamer, right, okay, the jack stand, right, there's actually a point, okay, where it has something like this. Yeah, I believe a lot of you guys have seen this before. Yeah, so this is the thing, okay, where you actually get the jack stand, okay, to actually hold on to this and lift up the car. And these are the points that are, used. And for my car, right, okay, I remember there were a few times when I'm doing some DIY or when I'm at the workshop, okay, I can see that all these jack stands, right, okay, all these points, right, so this has all broken off already. Over the years, there's a lot of different mechanics and different workshops and all this, and they use different jack stands and all this. So the thing is, it will actually destroy and disintegrate the plastic. And for your information, this is plastic, but it is so hard, you can barely get some flex in it or even bend it, because it is, very good quality plastic. Alright, so for today's episode guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to change this. Yeah, because I'll be doing some DIYs, okay, where I need to leave the car. So I need to know that these things are in good condition. Alright, so guys, okay, before I start this video guys, for those of you who are new here guys, please like and subscribe, because we have a lot of DIY videos. If you love working on your car, please subscribe, because we have a lot more videos like this coming up. Alright, so guys, without further ado, we're gonna start this video and show you how we change this. This is our first time also. Alright, so let's go. guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. Alright, the whole thing, right, actually took me longer than I expected because I thought it was simple, you know, just pulling out the jack point, alright, and you know, replacing it with the new one. Okay, because you know, the trick is that, you know, when you're pulling it out, right, there'll be, you know, all these pins that you have to push it in and pull the thing out. And that's the thing that, you know, I did not anticipate. I thought it was quite an easy one. Yep, so the first one took me slightly longer. I took about 15 minutes figuring it out. And the second one onwards, right, okay, I mean, I took about 5 minutes to swap each one. And the whole thing took less than an hour to finish. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. Please subscribe and drop down in the comments down below what you want to see on the next few episodes. Is there anything that you are looking to do to your car and you are unsure of, or anything interesting that you have seen in the market? And you know, hey, check this out, man. You know, just drop it down in the comments down below. I will think about it and maybe I will do it to my car. Alright, so guys, okay, stay healthy, happy, modding your car. Bye bye.